Hi, I'm Danny Reeves, and you're watching Lux News Live, and we're here with Dr. Campbell today. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Campbell, for coming on our show today. Before we get started, though, I want to know a little bit of background of Dr. Campbell.
So I'm one of the leading pain management physicians here in Las Vegas. We've been practicing pain management for about a year and a half, and we're doing tremendous work for the people that we treat here.
Tell me a little bit about your concierge services, because that's your main focus.
So we're working on developing a concierge pain management practice right now. This is fairly a new concept that we have worked on. We're thinking about rolling this out late summer, but the idea behind this is pain management, but for the people that we treat in a more personalized way.
Now, earlier we talked about you coming to the patient's home. That's something that's in process, right? Tell us a little bit about this.
So, in addition to giving time, we believe that if we can go into the patient's homes and spend time with them in their comfortable setting, with their family members who are suffering from chronic conditions, then we can actually get more out of the visits. And so the idea is to remove concierge medicine, from the office and actually take it to the patients. And so our goal really is to go to you, see you in your setting, see how you're operating in your setting, and then see if we can optimize your care in your setting to better suit you.
That's really beautiful. Now, something else that you're focusing on is massages and acupuncture. Now, I'm very interested in hearing about this.
So massage and acupuncture are a part of the wellness options of what we do. So about a year and a half when we started, we've been focusing more on the pain management aspect of the wellness and pain care practice. But now I believe that we can now expand because we have the means and the ability to expand more on the wellness side. And so acupuncture, massage really ties into that wellness. And so we believe that in treating pain, it's a combination of options that you have to offer. Not just the medications and the injections, but you have to introduce things like massage and acupuncture because it works together. Eastern meeting Western,
yes,
and treating the patient as a whole.
Yes, I love that you said that because earlier we were talking briefly about how medicine and something more like a Western medicine combining, and that's something very rare. We don't really see a lot of that. So you want to work together.
And that's really the goal. When treating patients, this concept of what the West is doing versus what the East is doing, what if we bring it all together? And what I've found in my practice is that when we've put it all together, that's when you truly see benefit. That's when you truly see patients getting better.
I love it.
So that's our goal.
Yeah, I love that. There's a few other things that we want to talk about. You're bringing in medical marijuana to your practice as well. Touch base on that because that is something that's very popular here in Vegas now, and now that you're bringing that into the office, let's hear about that.
So medical marijuana, I initially was, as many of the doctors, frightened and afraid of entering into that space. And I believe that given the current data that we have on its benefit, that there is absolutely no reason not to introduce that to people who are suffering from chronic pain. And then who's best to do it than the pain management provider who's seen that patient multiple times, has tried several things, medications, injections, acupuncture, massage, chiropractic care, physical therapy. So you've gone through the gamut of options that you can try, and the patients are still suffering from chronic pain. Why not? As their advocate, why not introduce something that could potentially be beneficial? And the current data actually does support that without a doubt, that medical marijuana does help patients with chronic pain conditions. And so we're truly excited about this. Patients are truly excited, and they've been asking us more and more. So we've been, we're now going to be evaluating people and making the recommendation that indeed this will help you so that they can get their cards.
Very good. I think those are incredible things that you're bringing to our city. We are so happy to have you here helping us here in Las Vegas. So thank you so much for being on our show, Dr. Campbell. We really appreciate it. Until next time.
Thank you for having me.
I'm Danny Reeves. Thank you for watching Lux News Live.